So we're here at the 28th annual 75 Chrome Shop Truck Show, and we're standing in front of a beautiful truck. And this gentleman in front of the camera is going to explain to us what we're looking at. But first, introduce yourself and then tell us what we're looking at.
My name's Nick Shelby. From Ontario, Canada. We brought this truck down, built by JD Fab in Michigan, partner shop of ours. Truck was originally bought by my boss Jeff, sold to Brian Pete of Wisconsin.
Tell us what we're looking at. You know, what parts we have here and how you guys put things together.
So the whole theme of the truck was less is more. Essentially every part on here is made by us in Guelph at 12 gauge. We have our grill surround with custom grill insert and grill bars. We have a mitered 20 to 19 inch boxed end stainless bumper with some glass watermelons on each corner. On the front of the breathers here, we have our short 3-bracket watermelon lights. And our 2-piece cabin cowl, painted aluminum cowl piece with 1.5 to 2 inch stainless panels to match up. Custom stainless boxes to kind of mimic the factory style look, as well as the 3 light brackets on the back, just to be able to clear the door there. Our custom mirror arms. We have 6-inch Dynaflex full exhaust with picket elbows. This visor here, designed by the boss here, he had it dropped a little lower just to be able to keep the stripes in line, everything matching. 5 lights, 3 tight in the middle. Our custom stainless fuel tank straps. And then at the back here, which is one of my favorite features that we do, is delete the air ride on the back of the bunk and hide it underneath the bunk. And then there's a filler panel to fill in the gap there with hucks added in to kind of go with the body line. And then we have 3 Piranha 4-inch lights on the back. Custom stamped deck plate made in-house, as well as the junction box. And we have a set of full-length tandem Hodge-built fenders. The bracketry also came. Jordan at MBH spent quite a bit of time getting all the brackets and polished to match up with the fenders. The brackets hidden underneath there for support in the middle. Back here we have just our center section taillight panel with Cali hookups Frenched in at the back cross member. And again, the deck plate goes front to back, hidden underneath the 5th wheel. Looks nice with the aluminum wheel on top there.
This truck is beautifully done.
Yes, it's been definitely a talkable piece around here for this weekend.
So on a build like this, how long does it take for you guys to complete it?
These things don't happen overnight. A lot of time goes into thinking. The boss, Jeff, and Jim Higgins in the office, Justin, the driver for Brian Pete here, and Jordan at MBH spent a lot of time back and forth, just kind of throwing ideas, changing things here and there. So it's been a bit of a journey, but takes time for quality kind of thing.
Sure. Can we take a look on the inside?
Yeah. So for the inside, majority of it was done by Truckin Awesome down in Texas. We do have our steering wheel delete kit up on the dash there where you can put your switches. And one of my favorite features on the inside is the power regulator. Kind of keeps with the old school crank look, but it's all power.
That is cool. Who's got the keys so we can see that work?
Chad, you got the keys?
Can we have a look inside the sleeper? So what year is this truck exactly?
It's a 2023 Peterbilt 389, 300-inch wheelbase. It was built down in Michigan by Jordan at JD Fab.
Okay. And this truck is like basically a 12-gauge promotion, so to speak. And it's not a promotion truck, but all of the parts, just about all of the parts are 12-gauge parts.
Yeah, essentially all the stainless is made in-house by us in Guelph. The lights, obviously, and fenders by Hodgebuilt, exhaust, Dynaflex.
Awesome. So how can people contact you guys?
You can call us at the shop at 519-766-0943. We have plenty of people in the office willing to help. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page you can check out and contact Jeff. He's more than willing to help you.
All right. Sounds good, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.